keep my tyres clean. Not working. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay, this option. Can't see if anyone. Oh, steady. A bit of a stop on it. Bet my tilt sensor goes now. Yep. That's enough. Ooh. Piles of earth. Can't see anyone around. Looks like a load of allotments up here. You wouldn't like to hit that hare, would you? Massive, great big buck. That's how silent it is. It makes people jump. I just basically thought I'd come out and hit a few trails. Nothing serious. Just felt like going on the e-bike tonight. I haven't been down a lot of these for a while, so I thought, yeah, why not? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you what, you probably haven't really seen what I've done. You can see I've removed the decals. Got some nice pegs on there now. Changed the grips. And I've got a headlight switch. I think that's it. It's looking even more stealth now, isn't it? Perfect. Just needs a little bit more power. Whoa, that's wedged in my back wheel then. It's gone, whatever it was. Whoa, clipped my toe then. lost momentum then. This is lovely. This is it. This is it. Oh. That looks like the steepest part. Weird little platform this. Wouldn't surprise me if it was one of those old air raid bunkers. Careful. Thing is, the grass at this time in the evening gets a bit wet. So overgrown, concentration levels are right up there. Didn't like that route. What the hell was that? God, what is happening to this pathway? Sort it out. Nice, gates open. Do me. It's definitely more comfortable to ride this bike. I don't know what it is, it just feels like it can take the bumps better. And it's just more solid, and it's also got this sort of more aggressive racing position, I would say, because the seat's slightly higher. it's nearly, there's only like a 3 inches from there to the bars, and on the sur-ron it's slightly taller, so I feel that my arms, you know what I mean, just in that bit more race position. And if you go too slow, you sort of slide down the seat into the middle. It's alright when you're giving it some, well, not that I really sit down, you always stood up, but say when you're commuting and you're backing off the throttle, you keep sliding forward. I have to start heading back soon. Another trail here, very short. Wow, a lot of roots. I'm just watching out for big boulders in the pathway. It's usually what happens along here. That's a beautiful view, isn't it? It looks a lot better since I took those decals off. Those bits of gold, blinging it up. Bullhead loved the gold, but yeah, it wasn't for me. Just absorbing a bit of nature before I head back. I just saw this concrete platform and thought, let's pull on there and just have a look at this view. Yeah, I really enjoyed that ride tonight. I thought I was just going to do some like trails and stuff, but I ended up doing a lot of single track, which this thing's perfect for. It's got a lot of usable power, although I say it's not very powerful. It's very usable and works really well on that sort of single track stuff. And you shouldn't really hurt yourself. It's not like you got 12,000 watts. Although I am looking at a back 8,000 for that, plug and play. They reckon they can get 550 phase amps without bypassing the battery and get about 7,000 watts with a top speed of 55 miles per hour. They're calling it the Ludicrous kit. That's the e-bike mod shed. E-bike mod shed. That's who I've been looking at. But yeah, I won't waffle on too long. Thanks for watching, especially as you got this far. I hope you enjoyed this upload, and maybe we should see you in the future. Moto Machines out. Oh, back end out then.